Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 123. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 here, so 4, 5, 9. 7 and 4 here, so 5, 9. 4 here, so 5, 7, 9. So if we look now, the only place the 7 can be in this box is here. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 2, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 9. Did we make a mistake already, guys? Because now I need 2, 5, and 9 for this row. We've got 2 boxes, but we've got a 5 here and a 9 here. All right, well, I guess that'll do it for today's puzzle. Leave a comment if you saw where the mistake was. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.